standard 6. In that first chapter is natural resources, air, water and land. Let us study spheres of the earth first of all. First sphere of the earth is called atmosphere. Second is hydrosphere and third is lithosphere. Now, what is atmosphere? Atmo means air. It is the prefix that indicates air. So, the layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. In atmosphere, what do we see? There are some birds flying in the sky. Also, there is an aeroplane flying in the sky. Also, there are some clouds. All these things, they are in atmosphere. There is second sphere and that is called hydrosphere. Hydro is the prefix that is used for water. So, the layer of water on the earth is called hydrosphere. In hydrosphere, what do we see? Here is a sailboat that is sailing in the water. Also, there are some aquatic plants. There are aquatic animals like fish. In this way, these are all in the hydrosphere. Now, the third one is lithosphere. Litho is the word that stands for land or stones. And the another name for litho is geo also. So, lithosphere is also called geosphere. What is lithosphere now? The layer of land on the earth is called lithosphere. We are all on the lithosphere. Our houses, our buildings, the mountains, trees, plants, all are on the lithosphere or geosphere. In this way, we have studied three spheres: atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Now, again there is one sphere and that another sphere. Next sphere is biosphere. Now, you will think, where is biosphere now? The biosphere is in all these three: atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. What is biosphere? The prefix stands for living things. Bio means living things or life. These living things, they constitute plants, animals, insects, microorganisms and human beings that are also included in animals. All these constitute the living things and all these are present in biosphere. This biosphere consists of the living things, those are present in atmosphere, hydrosphere as well as lithosphere. All these together called biosphere. In this way, biosphere, it is the sphere that contains the living things in atmosphere, in hydrosphere and on lithosphere. Thank you.